Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Baby Quilt Kits is probably one of the most heartwarming and rewarding projects a crafter can undertake, offering a beautiful way to create a cherished keepsake for a little one. These kits provide everything needed to bring a unique and personalized quilt to life, from pre-cut fabrics to detailed patterns, making the quilting process accessible and enjoyable even for beginners. Imagine the joy of gifting a handmade quilt, knowing it was crafted with love and care, designed to be a comforting companion for a baby through their early years. Number 5. Leisure Arts Modern Baby Quilts Book. Discover the joy of quilting with our Modern Baby Quilts book. It's the perfect starting point for beginners looking for fun and simple projects. Quilting your first baby quilt is easier than you think. These projects are designed to be quick and require minimal fabric. Create beautiful, well-loved quilts that are always appreciated. They make wonderful, thoughtful gifts for any new arrival. You'll love having a stack of these ready to go. They're perfect for last-minute gifts when you need something special. Experience fresh designs and fun patterns that are super simple to make. Get started on your quilting journey today. What we like. This book offers a fantastic starting point for new quilters. It focuses on simple techniques and smaller projects, making it less intimidating. If you are looking to get into quilting or need a fast and appreciated gift, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The quilt kit is a great value for the price, offering a beautiful and unique design that is perfect for a baby's nursery. The fabric included in the kit is of high quality, soft, and durable, making it ideal for a baby quilt that will be cherished for years to come. The pattern is easy to follow, even for beginners, and the finished quilt turns out beautifully, just like the picture on the packaging. Number 4. Minky Bambino Bunny Hunny Quilt Kit. Discover the adorable Bambino Bunny Hunny collection, a premium quilt kit designed by Shannon Fabrics. It's perfect for creating a cozy keepsake. This all-inclusive kit provides the quilt pattern, fabric for the top, backing, and binding. You'll have everything you need to get started right away. Crafted from 100% polyester Minky fabric, this kit features premium quilt shop quality material. It's incredibly soft and perfect for little ones. Once completed, your quilt will measure approximately 28 inches by 41 inches. This generous size is perfect for cuddling and tummy time. Bring home this delightful kit and create a cherished heirloom that will be loved for years to come. It's a wonderful project for any quilter. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for a super soft and adorable bunny-themed quilt. The premium Minky fabric ensures a luxurious feel. If you love plush textures and want a charming quilt for a baby, this is the one to consider. What people say. The quilt kit is a great value for the price, providing all the necessary fabric and pattern to create a beautiful baby quilt. The fabric included in the kit is high quality and soft, perfect for a baby's delicate skin. The pattern is easy to follow, even for beginners. The finished quilt is a generous size, suitable for a crib or as a playmat. The design is modern and gender neutral, making it a versatile gift. Number 3. Shannon Fabrics Minky Cuddle Kit Bambino. Hey, there. Bring the farm to your little one with this adorable Minky plush quilt kit. It features classic farm animals and barns in a fun, kid-friendly design. This kit includes luxurious cuddle fabrics in delightful colors like honeydew, sea spray, and graphite. You'll love the soft texture against your skin. The kit comes with everything you need to create a beautiful quilt. It includes fabric for the top, backing, binding, and a pattern to guide you. Measuring approximately 28 by 37 inches, it's the perfect size for a baby or toddler. It's designed to be a cozy companion. Caring for this quilt is simple. Just machine wash cold with light colors and tumble dry low. It's made with imported fabric and assembled in the USA. What we like. Bring the farm to life with this incredibly cute and soft Minky quilt kit. The playful farm animal illustrations are sure to delight little ones. If you're looking for a unique, tactile, and visually engaging quilt with a fun theme, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The quilt kit is a great value for the price, providing all the necessary fabric and pattern to create a beautiful baby quilt. The fabric included in the kit is high quality and soft, perfect for a baby's delicate skin. The pattern is easy to follow, even for beginners, and results in a stunning finished quilt. Number 2. Shannon Fabrics Bambino Cuddle Kit. Introducing the Bambino Cuddle Kit, your perfect partner for peaceful naps and restful nights. This complete kit is designed for ultimate comfort. Crafted from 100% polyester, it offers a luxuriously soft feel. It's gentle on delicate skin, ensuring a cozy experience. Measuring approximately 28 by 41 inches, it provides ample coverage. It's the ideal size for both nap time and bedtime. This convenient kit includes 5 pre-cut fabric strips, a pattern, backing, and binding. Everything is ready for you to create. Easily assemble this adorable kit to create a cherished item. It's perfect for gifting or making a special keepsake. What we like. Designed for ultimate comfort, this kit features pre-cut strips for ease of use. The Minky fabric makes it incredibly soft, ideal for nap times. If you prioritize comfort and convenience for a cozy baby blanket, this kit is a wonderful option. What people say. The quilt is a perfect size for a baby blanket. The fabric is soft and high quality, making it easy to work with. The pattern is clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 1. Shannon Fabrics Read to Me Cuddle Kit. Discover the Shannon Fabrics Read to Me Cuddle Kit. This kit provides everything you need to create a special keepsake for your little one. Crafted from 100% polyester, it features luxurious luxe cuddle fabrics for ultimate softness. The digitally printed design ensures vibrant colors and easy assembly. This versatile kit allows you to create both a cozy blanket, approximately 28 by 40 inches, and a delightful soft book for story time. Everything is included: the pattern, fabrics for the top, backing, and binding, plus a fabric panel and instructions for the soft book. Designed by Shannon Fabrics and assembled in the USA, it's machine washable for easy care. Simply tumble dry low. It's the perfect project to create a cherished item for babies, making reading time even more special. What we like. This kit offers a unique dual purpose, a soft quilt and an interactive storybook. The digitally printed fabric creates a visually appealing and engaging experience for babies. If you want a quilt that doubles as an educational and entertaining soft book, this is an exceptional choice. What people say. The quilt is a great size for a baby. The fabric is soft and easy to work with. The pattern is clear and easy to follow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.